Alright, y'all, I'm about to make my banana pudding. I am using pecan shortbread cookies for the base. So I'm just gonna lay them flat. Mine is gonna be more cookies than pudding.
Please, I've got to get inside to see the kings. You must let me through.
And when Aaron came to the entrance of the stable, he could hardly believe what he...
For king.
A mortal king only.
Fridge. So, and I think I'm gonna do my fish and my cast iron. Catfish nuggets, some fillets, and wings. Quick and easy. Did the lasagna yesterday. Put it in the oven this morning. So yeah. Alright, y'all. This is the finished results. Chicken, catfish, garden salad, ranch dressing, hot sauce. Oh, we got to come around for the lasagna. Do y'all see that? And the banana pudding. Sweet rolls. Time to eat. I'm about to make my husband plate. So what do you want? The tail? Couple pieces of fish? I mean chicken? You want a flat? Filet?
It is my honor to serve.
Okay.
Moving these supplies over to that building, if you wouldn't mind lending a hand. Thank you.
Alright.
Let's
Cut
all
this
step
lasagna.
into my protocols.
Talking to you, you dirty blind diddle, come here. The hell are you waiting for? Get up, man! It's okay!
I said enough.